Good day, my name is Rona van der Westhuizen. I'm from Boland Public FET College in Stellenbosch.
My name is Jane Mutubadze. I work for the Health and Welfare Center.
On Sunday, I think that was the best for me because then we discussed the policy in detail, and I think the people who weren't here on Sunday, they were left out of many things. Hopefully they studied the new policy. So for me that was the best workshop of all of it. The other presentations, yes, we appreciated that, and especially Inge Marion from the WNR CETA and Johan else, I can't remember from what company, but because he addressed the things that's applicable for us, the public FET colleges, because we want to make a difference in education and in RPL, because that is what we are here for. And the most important thing for me is absolutely the networking with the people of the CETAs. You know, Mrs. Knaisi from the ETDP CETAs here, so during breaks we can discuss things with her. Other CETAs, and for me, I made use of the opportunity to ask them questions about other learnerships and programs where we can implement and maybe start with a toolkit for this.
What I learned in this conference is the articulation of the policy in depth, and more especially lessons learned in the implementation of the policy since its inception. The different countries, as they presented how they implemented the RPL and the challenges that they are facing currently. And I do believe that from the conference we are going to obviously learn from those challenges and also come up with solutions to them. There are those challenges that don't have solutions as yet. So it was informative for them to present that, so that as we go on and implement RPL, we know very well which challenges to come across with and which solutions do we implement to resolve them. At the moment, we are just about to break away, and there is one session that I want to attend, which is going to articulate on the specifics on how to implement RPL. I think that has been a challenge for a long time, that people know about RPL, but they don't know how to take a qualification with its components, the unit standards, and start working on the tool so that RPL is implemented. So that session obviously is going to make sure that we understand where to go from here. Going forward, I do believe that everybody else is going to take it upon their stride to make sure that their organizations implement RPL as it should be implemented. Looking at the advent of QCTO, where we have the external summative assessment that is a requirement for learners to have a qualification. Those are the areas that we need to then discuss. How are we going to implement RPL, looking at the external summative assessment that is a requirement for somebody to acquire a qualification. But going forward, I think we will engage with each other and make sure that those areas are being ironed out, and everybody has got the same understanding of how RPL is supposed to be implemented.
At this stage, I feel the talk show must stop now. Today, if I could have planned the workshop, today would have been an implementation planning workshop. We've heard everything, now make the plans, put them into place. That's just my opinion, and unfortunately I wrote that feedback yesterday, because when I go back I need to know what do they expect from me. I know what I want to do, but is it correct? What do they expect from me? What is my first point of contact? And who's going to develop the RPL implementation tool? Or do I submit it? Do I develop it? And at the end we are back at stage one again, where we were a few years ago. At this stage this is a broad framework, go along with that. Otherwise it will be a talk show, and I'm just scared for that.